Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Bea and I'm glad you're back. And in case you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, painting, art journaling, assemblage and anything else what sparks my interest. Okay, here we are, week 26. That means only another 26 to go. So far I had fun. I hope you did enjoy those mini canvases too. On average, I didn't work more than half an hour on those mini canvases. I think we all can make time to have some joy in creating something for half an hour a week. And if we miss a week, well, next week we maybe can make two. It's all about having some good time with yourself or maybe in a group. Why not team up with your best friend and chatting along while working on some of those small canvases? As you can see, I did start with some collaging. It is a cutout from a magazine paper and I'm gonna use again, yes, you guessed it, napkins. I still have a lot of them. Here I'm using the white layer from a napkin. They become even more transparent than tissue paper, so I prefer them. On the other hand, they are more delicate to handle than tissue paper. But I think it is worth to take the extra time and be gentle with them. As you see, I did use a script stamp which I have used with black Stazon ink. I start gluing with the glue stick. It is a dry glue and the tissue paper doesn't wrinkle right away. Next I go over with Mod Podge. I make sure that I don't have to go over several times, so there is less danger to rip the napkin layer. Yep, that's me, about 3 years old at my godmother's house. I found this picture lately and decided to scan it and use it in one of my mini canvases. And then I did print it on some heavy computer paper. I did reject my first idea for using the red butterfly. It seemed a little bit too big and it also did compete with my red coat and red shoes. The background was pretty dark, so I applied some gesso through a stencil with an inexpensive cosmetic sponge. And before you ask what brand, it is a homemade stencil again. Whenever you cut out forms, you are left with a white border, no matter how close you go to the edge, and they will always show. To disguise it, I usually go around the edges with some black, here with a black alcohol marker by Spectrum Noir. Whenever you use napkins on a colored background, you have to make sure that the napkin stands up against the background. I usually add some white behind, either with paint or gesso or by adding a bit of white paper to the napkin. I hope you enjoyed watching me, and as usual, if there are any questions, just leave them down below in the comments or over at my Facebook group Bears Mix Media and more. I will have the link in the description. And in case you are new here and wondering about my series, I will put the playlist for you in the iCard in the upper right corner. But also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification. I usually have 2 videos per week, sometime more. So see you next time!